What up, what up, what up, NGB the gang, NGB the gang. How are you guys doing? I hope you're all doing great. Today hasn't been the best day on the account for sure. Definitely had some losses with this big breakdown. I really probably should have waited for some consolidation and then a push up. Maybe it to at least start looking like it's trying to make a new high, or at least, kind of let it get to its support. So I lost a little bit of bucks in that, but should this long work out, it'll eat all of those losses. So that's one good thing about it. I've got some deep support here. This is a lot of support, a lot of noise in there. So yeah, you guys already know what's good. Make yourselves at home, you know what I'm saying? All of that good stuff. Yeah, you already know how we get down. You don't see this? You don't see this mic? No. Until it starts getting in the like taco realm, then it's okay. I personally think the cheap whiskeys are like the best of the cheap liquors. Mm. Dude, whenever I get cheap whiskey, it like normally actually doesn't taste like bad at all. It normally just tastes like whiskey. But if I get like cheap, like I don't know, like tequila or something, like it can start really hurting. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. How much is that? Yeah. Dang, Graham Stephan just put out a video, and I'm sure it's slight like clickbait, but it's called "Why I Just Lost $4 million." Okay. $34. Okay. It's funny because it's like you throw like $5 or $6 on that, and you go to the store by me, and you can like get a really nice bottle, like a not really nice bottle, obviously, but like a pretty nice bottle, you know? Okay, so how much do you want? Ooh. Okay. I love how much smoother my computer is now that I stream with this Elgato. It's crazy too because I could have had this at the beginning. Guess how? Think of how many videos, like the how much better the video quality would have been on so many other videos if I had just bought this from the start. Okay, I sent it. Okay, Pookie. So I'm a Pookie and Ray Ray now. Okay. Yeah. up? What up? I see a few people coming in. Hope you had a great day. You saw it? Some chicken wings. Can you see them? Mm. They're looking good. This is the worst reviewed chicken restaurant in his state. I still don't know. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not sure. He smashed his chicken to the market. Let's see. Yeah, we're getting a little support. Not enough to get excited about. The real support to get excited about is this. All of this noise right in here. Hopefully, we don't dip too much under the hour EMA and we can just live our lives. That would be good. Not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. This week has been all over the place, guys. It's been up and down, side and around. Up $100, down $100, up $20, down $20. Like, bro, let me live. I'm trying to relax. I was just honestly this week. I was trying to just sit in the uptrend, really. But then it started going haywire. Like, look how much this uptrend got smashed. I mean, what? They completely ate that. Like, you know what I'm saying? It may even make its way down here. Obviously, I'll cut my loss well before that. Probably cut my losses at support, somewhere like that. Maybe a little bit higher. I may go into a different time frame to kind of see that. But yeah, you guys already know what's going on. And Mikey Chen just dropped something where he looked like he was eating Korean barbecue. So you guys already know that's a must watch for your boy. I swear Mikey Chen probably has like 5 million subscribers throughout all his channels. Yes. Because his channel that isn't even like his hype channel. It's just like when he eats and it's not like strictly dumpling. Oh no, he definitely does because he has more channels, and I'm seeing right here, strictly dumpling alone has 4 million subscribers, and then Mikey Chin has 1.5. So that's 5.5 already, and that's not even considering his other channels, which he has a few other channels. Yeah, some of them don't even like do it have to do with like eating. But hello, people. Make yourself at home. Make yourself comfortable. You know what I'm saying? Grab your snacks. Grab your Cheetos. Grab your popcorn. Grab your Brumanowski. And make yourself at home. If there's anything you guys want to see, any pairs, any stocks you guys want to look at, even any videos, as long as it doesn't seem like something that's going to get me copyright, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. Let me know. If you've been making any trades or anything like that today, let me know. I've pretty much, it's been an L day for me. I pretty much was long in AUD USD, expecting the market to keep pushing just as hard as it's been going because it's been going crazy. It's been going insane. And it just kind of worked against me. I lost one trade, and then I kind of made a dumb decision to just kind of hop right back in. So that's why we are where we are right now. So I'm hoping that here's my plan. I'm hoping that this consolidation will hopefully hold, and then we'll probably be able to see on the 4 hours. I'm really expecting if we can get a break of this high here, I'm really expecting this thing to go to at least 0.78, which I kind of anticipate it's going to do, but I just can't handle it, you know what I'm saying, going down. Like, let's say it goes down and it tries to bounce off of this uptrend. I can't eat a loss like that. That will destroy the account. So I have to keep making sure I'm putting in tight stop losses and, moving according like that. Oh yeah, this man's eating Korean barbecue. Yeah, I don't know. The meat he's eating there looks a real quality. What, you talking about the little like sesame seeds or whatever those are? Are those sesame seeds? Like what are those? Oh, I feel you. Yeah. That's looking kind of smash. Oh, I'm gonna smash some Korean barbecue. I've been craving Korean barbecue. What day do you come around? No, I mean like what date? So that's what, like today, not next week, but the week after. I gotta get this Korean barbecue, bro. I'm not playing around. I'm not playing around. I gotta get these Korean barbecue eats. I gotta get some bulgogi. I gotta get some iron age steak. I gotta get some spicy pork. I gotta put it in the lettuce wrap, hit it with a little piece of onion, maybe a little piece of chili, dunk it in some sauce, and swoo, LeBron James. What you mean? Hood dunking on him. What you talking about? Going crazy. I'm about to be going crazy in there. No, that's weird. It's like spicy tuna with fried white rice. Have you guys ever seen white rice just fried into like a? It's not a ball, but kind of like a ball. That's kind of weird. Seems like kind of unhealthy. Like you just take a bowl of white rice and just fry it. I mean, it could be worse, but it's like that. That just at that point, that just seems like an excuse to fry something. Like you could just eat the white rice and then just have the tuna on it or something. But hey, let's be real here. If they put that in front of me, I wouldn't be mad at it. I'd be like, don't mind if I do. You feel me? This looks like bacon. Probably is. I guess it's probably just pork belly, which I guess is really just bacon. Yeah. We're getting some drop. I'm gonna throw this on like the 15 so I can just kind of really see it. He's not recommending it. He said definitely the worst cut of meat so far. He's not feeling it. Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Oh, it's he's trying the entire steak menu. That's what it is. 7 days premium, all you can eat, $45. That's a lot more expensive than the Korean barbecue here. Well, yeah, for all you can eat Korean barbecue. We got a Korean barbecue place that's kind of close to us. That's like it's not all you can eat, and you have to like purchase each meat, which I think is lame for Korean barbecue. But man, if I go in there like how I be going in the all you can eat, I'm walking out spending a clean like 200 or something. Yeah, cause think it's like you just want to try like let's say you want to try like four meats, you probably paying like $80 to $100. Like so, if I go how I be going at Iron Age, it's over. Yeah. Oh, he liked that New York strip with a sweet glaze on the outside of it. I know. I don't know if anybody's peeped, but I changed my thumbnail for the challenge. I had to go ahead and hit that update. Well, I guess we are about 30 episodes into the challenge. Maybe I'll change the thumbnail every like 30 episodes or so. Kind of like seasons. Like like we're done with season 1 of the stock market challenge, which is pretty good season. I mean, we've doubled the money. Like I mean, it's not the type of gains that I would have expected, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. And I also decided to do a stock market challenge during one of the most volatile times in our history. Like in recent history, like I started it right before like everything hit the fan or like right around that time. So it'll be nice to do the challenge once everything kind of chills out. We don't got wars going on, extremely high crazy inflation, you know what I'm saying? The masks, you know what I'm saying? Like you talking about I know the ramen's gonna fill me up. He's smashing it. He's saying it's just okay, but he's smashing it. Oh, he hitting it with the hot sauce. That's how I be with the hot sauce. Yeah, he just smashing it down. Bro said I had to double up. You done doubled up about what? I don't know what yuzu is. I'm about to look it up. Yuzu? Yuzu. Tomato sauce? Wait, that's what I'm talking about. Mm, so it's a type of liquor too. Okay, that's a little confusing. I still don't really know it. I looked it up and still couldn't figure out what it was. this is me and Mikey Chin's funny. Alright, he finished his meal. Alright, we look like we're starting to get some downwards momentum. But hopefully this just consolidates out. That's really what I'm expecting. I'm expecting it kind of consolidate here. Maybe we don't have any type of we kind of got something going on here, but you guys know I'm not letting it get down there. I'm definitely stopping myself out by that point. But yeah, we'll see. Oh. Frosted Flakes are more than good. Ooh, wait, who? They're great. Ooh. Frosted Flakes are more than good. They're great. Alright, let me see, because this is dipping now. We're under the 5 minute. I'll probably cut it like 7. I don't even know. Where do I want to cut this? I'll figure it out. This market momentum's been going crazy. Really, with it breaking 0.75, this thing should really be trying to make its way to 0.8 from a technical standpoint, in my opinion. But it's dealing with so much fundamentals, it's dealing with all types of stuff that it's just moving crazy. Let's see how it kind of looks on the daily. I mean, on the daily chart, it kind of looks like, yeah, it should just keep kind of continuing up. It really broke this resistance. I mean, yeah, it's running into trouble from here. I can see the support kind of turning into a resistance, which it could do that, you know what I'm saying? But definitely getting past this point, and it did actually break it to a degree, just not on the daily chart. Its next place that it should really be targeting should be like 0.78, and really, if you're really talking, like let's say if you're looking at the weekly, like, and you're just looking at highs, this thing should be like, you know what I'm saying, making its way. Still about 0.78 actually, because this candlestick never really closed in that general area. I have to see, but for right now, it looks like it's just getting a bunch of downwards momentum. Gonna start dropping off. Frosted Flakes. More. The subscribers, we were all saying too that this wasn't gonna be a good week, not just for me, but for like the team. I mean, it hasn't been a bad week for me, but I just haven't really lost money, but I haven't made anything. Everything I made like was erased today. But I mean, there's still 2 days left, so. But who knows? This trade's not going very well. But I'm thinking of it more on a doesn't want to make a lower low. That's the thing. Because even still so far, as long as you're looking at the lows, it hasn't broken any lows. So we just want to anticipate that it's still not done breaking lows. But it's going to do what it wants to do. And right now it's getting some downwards momentum, some hard downwards momentum. We just got to see how it plays out. Frosted Flakes. What should I look at this on? I feel like I should look at this on like the 30. Nah, the 15, because I want y'all to be able to actually see it, but not so much that we're just watching like moves that probably don't even matter like that. And watching on a 5 minute is like, It's good for like knowing exactly what's going on, but it's like it just doesn't matter. Like the 5 minute does not matter like that. Like I'm hoping to be able to be holding this stock, you know what I'm saying, tomorrow, possibly even Friday, if the momentum's not too crazy. So like the 5 minute chart then becomes kind of irrelevant. And watching it just kind of makes you make mistakes. Mistakes I'm not trying to make. Because I already know the whole game plan here. My stiff legs are more. Bruh, I don't know why I have that song in my head. I'm really interested to see if this is going to want to make a lower low. It hasn't made one in months. Like, it hasn't made one in a hot, spicy, juicy, you know what I'm saying? Popeye's chicken. No, Bojangles chicken with the hot sauce inside of it. You know what I'm saying? Type of move. It's what to expect. What to expect. All right, it looks like it's trying to fight back a little bit, but you know, you know. Oh wow, dad steals his son's girlfriend and gets her pregnant. What a savage! That man legitimately does not care. Mm, this is going crazy. But yeah, you see when it's on the 15, it just doesn't seem as aggressive. It's a lot easier to watch and not be like, oh, you know what I'm saying? This thing's about to just go straight down. Now, when I look at it on the 15, I'm like, okay, this thing's just consolidating. When I look at it on the 5 minute, I'm like, you know what I'm saying? And we are getting a little bit of recovery. We need some more, but we're getting a little bit of something. We getting a little action, you know what I'm saying? A little, ooh, ooh, ooh. We getting a little bit of that. Did he say malt wine? Is that a thing? Oh, mold wine. Which isn't that pretty much just like sangria? Yeah, mold like Mulled. Red wine with various mulling spices and sometimes oh, it's a little different, and raisins, sometimes served hot or warm. What? Ugh. Yo, imagine like a red wine in the fridge. What up? What up? What up? How you doing? How you living, my guy? How you doing? How you doing? Wait, hold on. Frosted flakes are more than good. Wait, y'all don't know about that. Great. But hey, how your day been? How your day been, bro? You been living it up? Frosted flakes. Oh, mm. They're great. Gang, get me rich. Hey, I'm trying to get myself rich, but hey, you already know, bro. If you got any questions or anything, you already know I got you, bro. You already know I got you. But yeah, I hope you've been living good. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we just in here trying to get this guap real quick. We losing a little bit of money right now, but we see the potential. We see what kind of thing we got going on. We got an uptrend here, higher highs, higher lows, and yeah, we're just waiting to see if it's gonna break this and then try and. It's got a few options. It can just either continue up, or it can break this support and make its way down to this line here. What you been up to? What you been up to? I'm gonna grab a beer too. I'll be right back. Frosted flakes are more than good. Ugh. Ugh. They're great. Hey, y'all gotta get on the hot and spicy pork rinds. These are the best ones for real. They don't look like it, but they really the best ones. They really the best one. I'm trying to put y'all on. I'm trying to put y'all on. What's that? The baby be doing that all the time? Packing the mail is gone. Yeah, yeah. I'll be right back though. I'm a young CO. Was good. What you what what you mean he sold you a lemon? What you Bro, I'm trying to process what that even means. Bro, you gonna have to elaborate. I'm literally imagining somebody selling you one of these. Like what? I'm literally imagining you talking about one of these for 2K. I'm gonna have to go off the bat and say that was a terrible investment. Ah. Oh gosh, dang, bro, that's tough. You gonna come back though? Oh, you said a lemon, not a lime, a lemon. That's a shame. They violating. Dodge Charger 2020. I mean, but that's fine. Wait, you're like, how'd you get finessed though? 2020 Dodge Charger? You know what I mean? Like, know what I'm saying? I feel like you can flex with that. You pull up, you like at the ATL car meets. That's all they. You just like you turning the wheel so hard, your arms is twisting. I feel like you could put in some work in that. Low key. We still just getting this negative momentum. I think tomorrow's gonna be like a green day. I think if tomorrow is a red day in the market, it's really gonna be a red day. Like a few red days going into next week. But yeah, man, the 2020 Dodge Charger, bro. What? That's nice. What? 2020? That's clean. You talking like you pulled up in the like in the Herbie. What is the Herbie Reloaded? What is it? Herbie Fully Loaded. Bro, they got you pulling up in this, bro. They finesse you, bro. You thought you was getting the Dodge Charger, bro. And then they got you. And then they pulled out with this and you already signed a contract. Oh, man, I be livid. Let's look at some pairs. Let's see what's going on. First, let's beat what BTC looking like. BTC is getting crushed today. Wow. I mean, the whole market got kind of crushed today. It may be trying to go back to this trend line. Possibly. That's what I would expect. I'd expect it to come down onto this trend line. Maybe bounce up. I don't know if BTC can hold it. I don't have much confidence in the cryptos. Y'all know that. Y'all know I don't really be trading those. S&P 500 after this big L day. I mean, it makes a little sense for it to have need some relief. This is the relief we were all looking for last week, but we just couldn't get it. We couldn't get it. Let's see. Let's see how the what is it, like the unemployment boys? Let's see how the Reddit boys are doing. You know what I'm saying? You catch the Reddit boys, the chicken tendies, GME to the moon. Let's see how GME is doing. Let's see. GME actually, like, I mean, it didn't do bad today. They really just, they are holding single-handedly, like, holding this stock up a little bit. Like, wow. Not bad for considering how much of a red day this is. And this is a serious red day, my guys. Like, serious red day. We're starting to get a little bit of a pullback. We really need to get a break above like 0.752. That'll be good. Dre, where'd you go? You got your drinks or something? You wanna hit a little something? Alright, let me put these away, or y'all just gonna be watching me munch on stream. Pack in the mail is gone. Yeah. Bruh, these joints is spicy too, y'all. I'm telling you that spice just hit me in my throat, and I said, oh! Caw. My boy, he be in the stream. He gonna teach me how to do them turkey calls. And I'm gonna be calling birds and stuff. I'm gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? What is it? Like Aquaman, but with birds. I'm gonna be like, caw. And then an ostrich gonna come out of nowhere and just start pecking dudes in the eye. I'm gonna be the Aquaman, but the airman. You know what I'm saying? I do this, and then birds just start like picking me up, and then I can fly. Would that not be crazy? Like, what's the largest bird that can fly? Like an eagle? Owls are bigger than eagles? Largest aerial bird. Are you serious? The wandering albatross? Why they call it the wandering albatross? Is it not just so out? Is there a difference? No, it's an albatross. I thought those things weren't even like that big. They're big. And it's really called the wandering. So I guess you really disrespecting him if you don't call him like the wandering one. Okay, this bird kind of sizable, y'all. Bird got a decent size on it. Here we have a Kelly, a Stacy, you feel me? And we've got the wandering albatross. Yeah, I would expect it to look a little bit bigger. You know what we should look at? I wonder if YouTube will come after me though. I'm gonna type it in and see what happens. Let's see. Mm, I'm gonna go with this one. It's a little bit shorter of a video, so maybe they won't be tweaking on me about it. What up, Gavin? Bro, I was just talking about you, bro. I was just talking about how you gonna teach me my bird calls, bro. And I'm gonna be doing this, and all the birds just gonna be picking me up and like take me away, like I can, you know what I'm saying, fly or something. Bro, that bird that I just saw in this video looked way bigger than like a albatross. But hey, man, how's your day been, bro? My trading has not been that well today. It has not. But I hope yours has. If you traded anything, that's a pretty big lion. Yeah, let's get it. That's a pretty big lion, though. I can't lie. Or imagine that thing coming after you, bro. It'd be OV for me. You ready? Clank. Oh, that's nice. That's not bad. That's like what, like that's almost 5% in a day. That's not bad at all. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely not bad. Yeah, I feel that. Hey, that shows good patience, man. Cause I definitely broke. Did I break a rule today? Not really. I could have been more patient today. I didn't break any rules. I could have been more patient, and that would have allowed me to have a better stop loss to where I wouldn't have had to lose so much. Ew, why does that thing have like three horns like that? It's kind of like scary, yeah. Okay. Yeah, but I definitely should have exercised a little bit more patience today. The entire market was down today. What'd you end up trading? Did you end up going long or short? I'm assuming short because the entire market was pretty much down today. I wonder if it's gonna try to recover any of it, or if it's really just like the relief that it needed. I mean, one day of relief, I could definitely handle it. Plus, like if this trade could start going, in my favor, I would love to hold on to this till like I don't know, maybe like 7.8 would be my target. I definitely will try to. I'll probably get out around 7.48, something like that. Something like that. She like how I smell cologne. I just signed a deal. I'm on. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna have to put these. You went short. Good stuff, my guy. There's no better lesson than losing money. What a humbling experience it is. Really, all the market be about is when you do lose money, when you get humbled, making sure that you don't spiral. So when you do win, you just make more. Oh, nice. That's like 30%. Those are big weekly dubs. I need a 30% week in this account. That sent me into the thousands. I just signed a deal. I'm on. Yeah, yeah. Boy said, I cooked my wife carne asado tacos for the first time. A little larger than a risk, and I would take day trading stuff on the futures. Oh, yeah. Hey, but I mean, as long as it's working out and you're learning your lesson every month, you're like doing better and better. Like, yeah, you know. I already told you, I envy the people, the guys who can come in there and, what I'm saying, get like 10% a week consistently. Day trading, like, that's money. And if I can make 10% a week, I mean, I've done it before, obviously, but like consistently, oh, Robbie, I had the Lambo out back. And so, training ideas to your crypto. Oh, you should, especially the long term ideas. Don't really listen to the short term, the trading account stuff. Like, that's not really the move. You should do the longer term stuff where I'm trading on like the 4 hour. That's really where like all the easy money is. 4 hour money is easy money. Like these trends, like it's like the difference between like seeing this and just seeing like what I'm saying, just straight up. It's like straight up. 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day charts. Yeah, absolutely. Cause my other account, I don't even really like. I look at I every blue moon I'll trade long term based off of the 1 hour, but really like I may just kind of peep into the 1 hour. It's really like the 4 hour and the 1 day that I'm really looking at. And then like sometimes it'll even take me like a week or two to even get my trade. You know what I'm saying? Because I be trying to make sure they're like so perfect. But that's the good thing about having other accounts. Like if I only had that account, I would start getting like FOMO or something, and I'd start kind of being like, "Ooh, like fidgety. Like, what is it that dude from Lord of the Rings? Like, I need to trade. I need to trade." But like since I have so many other accounts, like I don't worry about that account, and I just kind of wait till stuff hits the price that I want it to be at, which could take some good time. But I'd be patient in that account. This is the account where I lack patience. And even still, I'd say we're doing good. It's doubled. I'm very like happy with this account. I'm not happy with a lot of the decisions I've made. I've done some really dumb stuff in this account, but I'm still adjusting. Like I told you guys, I'm not a good like day trader or even short-term swing trader. Can you explain what lot you're trading? I understand you're trading currency pairs. What does it mean when it says you're long 18? Oh, when it says I'm long 18, you could just think about it like this. Like I'm long like just think about like 18,000 shares. Cuz I don't even really speak in lots. I'm more so speaking like the amount of money, like lots or like pips. So I'll just speak. So I would say for me, the way I would say it, just because it keeps things simple, when I'm going between cryptocurrency and Forex and just the regular market, I just look at it all as like stock pairs. But to tell you, this account has about $600 in it. There's about what? There's about $400 into this trade, something like that. So I'm long at 18,000, and it's about $400 or something like that. Yep, 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 yep. I was when I first started working with this account and everything, I was kind of only trading. I trade, what I'm saying, like $100 under. So like, let's say I got $800 in the account, then maybe I would use like 700. You know what I'm saying? But like, I didn't really like that. And every now and then I would get optimistic and maybe put in like be like $60 under, get stopped out, liquidated. So I got tired of all that. So now I have a rule where like I only put in like 250 or $200 less than what the full account is, because then it's impossible for me to get liquidated. There's nothing more annoying than getting liquidated and then the trade goes against you. I mean, then goes, what I'm saying, in line with what you're on. A Yumi jungler? That doesn't make sense. How does that even work? Liquidated is like, I don't know if it's ever happened to you. If you go into a trade with too much money and you're basically like losing money, then they'll liquidate you and just take you out of the trade. So like, let's say I'm using margin and I have an $800 account and I go in with $700, and the account, let's say now my account is down $150. They'll liquidate me and just take me out of it. Mhm. Is what happens if you're trading on margin. Because you know they don't want like it to go like crazy. I still have to understand it a little bit more with like Forex. But yeah, pretty much just the way I think about it is if you put too much into a trade and it goes against you to the point where you're losing like almost as much as you put in into the trade. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, that's it. Like think about it like that. If I have $800 and I put in $700 and I lose $100, I'm gonna probably get liquidated, and then they'll just take me out of the trade. So yeah, I guess you could say yeah, liquidated is kind of like getting stopped out, but you didn't place the stop loss. What the fees look like in Forex? It really just depends on the spread. I normally don't really think too much about the fees, but that's just because I'm used to trading much longer terms, so it just makes me think about it less. But I mean, they're actually kind of high. Honestly, they're kind of high, but they're not like crazy to me. Like in this one, I think let's say I used about $400 in this trade. I think when I entered the trade, I think I was already down maybe like $2 or $3, something like that. Which is like a decent little, you know what I'm saying? That's a decent little cut, especially if you're like, let's say you're like day trading and you're in and out every day and you're using like thousands of dollars. Like they're definitely taking like $10 here, $10 here, $10 here. Stuff starts adding up. I wouldn't even want to know how many fees I've probably honestly like lost. I just never think about it. But what I do think about is the spread. If I see there's a crazy spread, then I won't buy into it. But that's why I stay away from certain stocks like let's say I was trading like XAU USD or something like that. Like things like that be having crazy spreads. And let's say I went in with $400 in there, I could possibly be down $10 like off the rip. You know what I'm saying? So the fees they just depend on the spread. So like if you're trading like let's say you're trading like Euro USD, like the spread isn't that bad. It's more like manageable. It's really like the really kind of weird ones, the weird currencies that no one trades. Like you're trading the USD versus some like African currency or something, then the spread's probably going to be crazy. But if you're trading stuff that like people actually use every day, like the British pound or the euro, or you know what I'm saying, the New Zealand dollar, you know what I'm saying? I mean, actually the spread on the NZD is actually kind of bad. But the Aussie dollar, like the spread's not too crazy. The Aussie dollar is kind of in the middle. It's in the middle. It's not as cheap as like the euro, but it's not as crazy as like NZD. Let's see. This trade's kind of it's trying to do a little something, but we'll just have to see. Really, I need to see this above this EMA line. That's what I really need to see. Do 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 do. Ba da ba ba ba. I'm loving it. Mm-mm-mm. Oh. Famous soccer player finds out that his wife birthed three kids that are not his. Ooh, that's tough. You playing a game of League? Okay. It's not going so hot. jungle. Let's have a look at some of these pairs. Let's see who got beat down real bad today. Because stuff was definitely getting the work. And Amazon under that EMA line. That's not looking too good. You said, I'm trying to look. What you say you was trading again? You went short. You didn't say what you were trading. Tesla really has been making moves. I already know this man, Worm Squirm's probably happy. He's probably like, yes, we're gonna do it. They might. They might. Let me peep that. Is it actually slash? Yeah, okay. Index futures. Gotta love it. Oh, it's making me do this. Mitsubishi. I don't feel like this is right. I was feeling like it was this or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, man. You said like every dollar it moves is like $5 in your account. I don't know if this is what you're looking at. I do kind of like this trend though, honestly. I kind of like that. I would be expecting a long, possibly, and then pop into here, and then shorts would probably be great. We got a double top here too. This is something where I would look to go short in this in my long term. Like here, if it bounced off of here and gave me a red candlestick, like a red candlestick on like I guess the monthly. You just click the correct thing initially. Okay, I think I got it. Let's see. I'm gonna throw that in there. Let's see if that helps me find it. See, it was this, but it won't let me. I don't think it's trying to let me in there. It's not trying to let me. Unless this is like, it opens up into this. Ah, there we go. Well, let me. Come on, what? I may just not be able to see it. I may not have access to see it, possibly. Or what if my... Nah, I doubt my list can't be too long or anything. What if that was the issue? Futures. M2? You said, yeah, drop it down. Let me see. Oh, let's see. All right, here I go. Be patient with me, man. Be patient with me. M2. There we go. It's not going to let me get it, though. Yeah. I can't see futures. Or certain futures. 3-month rolling contract type. Click the M2. I can't. Me trying to, like, hit the... It's not letting me do it. Yeah. Try ES. It may be blocking me so I can't trade. Yeah. I can't trade futures on here. I probably could see it in like TD Ameritrade. I'm gonna have to get Thinkorswim on here for you guys. I stopped like using it because I don't really like trade in my TD Ameritrade. I do investing there. Yeah, it sucks, but I do investing there. So like, I have TD Ameritrade on my like other laptop, like my MacBook, but like, it's just useless for me to have TD Ameritrade. You said the SPY is the equivalent. Oh, okay, then that works. Whoa. Forgot. Oh, we're on the monthly. That's why I was like, bro, what? I was like, this is going crazy. Yep. Definitely would have ate off some shorts there. Who knows, the way this is looking, the market, this could be the start, possibly. I'd say a few more days of red. And you think this market, you think this is the start to a reversal, probably? Probably. You shorted around noon? Nice. You was nice and patient too. You know, a lot of people like they wake up in the morning and they're like, I gotta trade, I gotta trade. It's like 10 o'clock. They done took 3 trades already. Like, nah. I used to try and trade at like 9, like or like right. Well, even before 9, I used to try to trade like pre-market. But then like I started realizing I was like, rather than try to play that crazy volatility when the market opens, like it's just a lot better to just kind of like wait around, see what everybody's doing, see how the market's kind of trending, and then take a trade. You're watching since 8:30. Hey, that's that patience. That's that patience. Hey, and it played off too. Like, think if you just did that every day, you know what I'm saying? You moved like that every day, didn't get a big head or anything. Like, man, you be bringing in some money. You feel me? Open is at 8:30. Mm, I feel that. I feel that. Well, you know, we open here at 9:30. We're right in line with New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, yeah. Which I guess is a good thing. I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter. You trying to hit a little chug, girl? I really want to go get a piece of turkey, but I'm scared. If I go get a piece of turkey, I'm gonna eat the whole sandwich pack. Yep. I wonder how low this is gonna dip. I just want to see it consolidate. Clank. Yeah, I just want to see some consolidation. I'm gonna go get this turkey. Okay. Oh, hey, bro. Look. Yeah, I told you I don't play. I told you I don't play. Cholula. It's good too. I like it. I was slick smashing on it actually before the stream. Oh, I forgot we got ham this time. We ain't playing games. We got ham this time. Got some ham in my pocket. Hmm. Okay. And make sure to send me what you want. That's what's up. That's what's up. I appreciate that too. I need to look at this on a lower time frame, or I'm gonna get spooked and hop out. Because when I look at it on the 5, when I look at it on the 15, I'm like, eh. Then when I pull it out to the 30 in the hour, I'm like, it's worth. It's worth the possible loss for the possible gain. 'Cause this is a lot of noise. This is a lot of noise. I honestly think too, if it breaks through this noise, I think it's gonna be making its way into here, trying to touch trends. Do we have a full? Mm, this thing's got a lot of upwards momentum though. That's what I like about it. That's why I'm long. Just so much upwards momentum. I'm really trying to get. I'm trying to get some type of longer term play in. I'm trying to start getting away from these short term plays in this account, but I can't help myself. It's also like I think it would be weird. Like in my other account, I would be okay with sitting on my hands for like a week or two. But like, imagine if I like went on stream and I just wasn't in a trade for 2 weeks. Like that would be kind of lame. Like, but I mean, hey, that's why we just threw $300 in this account. It's okay. It's okay. But you can definitely take a $300 account to 1,000, to 2,000, 5,000, then so on and so forth. But you really do gotta be. You gotta be on your A game. You gotta be focusing. Packing the mail is gone. You like that song? You like that song? Okay. 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 I'll grab another one. Pizza Hut's Big Dinner Box Challenge doubled. There's one thing I love about the YouTube community, like the actual YouTubers, not like the like business YouTubers that are not business YouTubers, but like the business YouTubes like BuzzFeed and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like they really don't care. Like they're like, oh, you're watching my content, thank you. YouTube will flag it and be like, like, oh, I noticed you're watching this person's content, but the person themselves, like, they never care. They don't care unless you're doing some weird stuff like trying to like imitate them. Like you're acting like their content is like yours. But if you're just sitting there enjoying it in your stream with the bros, like they don't be caring. This man would have a pizza shirt. I mean, hey, I mean, if I was a million, I mean, I think he's got like, yeah, he's got 1.7 million subscriber YouTuber, and it was all off of eating. Then you know what I'm saying. I would probably do it too. I already need me some NGB shirts. I'm gonna get me some when I hit 1,000. When I hit 1,000, then the NGB shirts are coming out. They won't be for purchase, but you'll see them on me though. you know. Let's see. We really have like a support right here. Honestly, with the close, let's see. What do I want to do? I think I want to pull out. So I want to say maybe like a red. If I see a red candlestick under here that closes, then I think I'm just gonna pull the trade, and then I can go in tomorrow and you know what I'm saying, just make that back. Oh, they already know he can take all this food down. This man eats so much, it's ridiculous. It's crazy. All the food dudes too, like they really don't be like big or anything. They really just be looking like just normal dudes. Like you be thinking they look like Nikocado avocado, but they don't. Nikocado avocado, Nikocado. You said a what? See, I need to get my editing like that. Yeah, like that. I do this and just like flames. Actually, I feel like that's really not that hard to do. You just get like a GIF or something that's. You take out the background, put two of them when you do this. Boom. Russ editing is on point. He's clearly using like two cameras. He has two different camera angles and he switches between them, which must be kind of annoying in editing, I can't lie. I'm working on it. I'd love to see where my editing could be in like a year. I'd love to see where my YouTube could be like this time next year. Like what? Like who knows? Like maybe my channel still will be a small channel, but I bet my videos will be going crazy though. I bet my editing will be going crazy. All of that. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Bro got stuff all over his mouth. Someone get this man a napkin. It's trying a little bit. It's failing. See, it's trying to see if this support. So yeah, I know what I want to do with it. Mm. Because I wonder too, how long could this thing consolidate before it decides to make its move? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna throw stop loss. Oops, that's take profit. Oops. X. There. Yeah, I like that. That way it gives me a little bit of room. Gives me a little bit of room, but not so much that I'm like eating even more loss. But then again, at that point, what would that look like? Because really that stop is at like 465. Nah, I think that's too low. Yeah. Nah, I'm not trying to lose all that. Forget that. Yeah, so let's just go. Mm, you said you ever revenge trade like that? Oh, bruh, absolutely. Bro, this account is not at like $1,500, $2,000 because of revenge trading. So yeah, I definitely revenge trade still to like yes, absolutely, absolutely. Well, you already know the best way to stop revenge trading is you just turn off your computer. But it's hard, especially when you see something like trending really hard. You want to just like you know what I'm saying. It pops through your stop loss. You're like ugh. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just go in line with the trend then. Like it already popped through my stop loss dumb hard. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I definitely revenge trade. Have an $85 loss in one day was bad. Yeah, yeah. In a $300 account. I mean, this is still a $300 account, but in a $300 account, like that's a lot. Like I have what? I probably have 660 or so in here now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to eat a $80 loss when I wake up in the morning. Like nah. If I lose, I'll lose 60 and then the next resistance is let's see what that take profit would be. Let's just say not the full top, but let's just say 76.4. 76.4. So let's say 76.4. That's $220. You know what I'm saying? So that's a worth risk for sure. That's why I'm kind of in this play. Yeah, like if you're counting 3,500, yeah, man. I'm telling you, those thousands of dollars of losses, like in a day or in one trade, bro, they hurt so bad. Like, man, I've lost like thousands, revenge traded, and then lost thousands. Oh my gosh. You just you do like how if you saw the video I did a few days ago where the girl's like looking at herself in the mirror, like that's how I was. I was like, bro, what? Like, just what? Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Bread smashing this. But yeah, I think I'm about to end the stream here. It's been a clean little hour and 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Thanks for popping in, bro. This has been a real chill stream. Honestly, this week has been real like chill. It's been real chill. I've been pumping out videos, but the streams like what Monday's stream was hype, and then the last two streams has just really been chilling. Your 15 profit today seems small, but I mean, yeah, man. But you gotta think about it like, man, that 15. If you made $15 a day, like that's big eats. Like 4% a day, bro, would be crazy. If you can make 4% a day, you'll be rich. You know what I'm saying? But 4% a day is extremely hard to, you know what I'm saying, hard to maintain. That's what, like 4% a day is like 20% a week. Let's even be nice and call it 15% a week. That's like what, 60% gains in a month? And if you're doing that over and over again with compounding interest, you're easily gonna be in like the tens of thousands, 100K, like very quickly. If somebody could be that consistent, that's why it's hard. That's what I'm saying. Like if I get 6% in a month on my account, then I'm happy. You know, I'm like, okay. I'm like, all right. You know what I'm saying? I normally do a tad bit better than that, just a smidgen. But like, you know what I'm saying? I definitely don't be looking like, you know what I'm saying? If I see a 2% move, you know what I'm saying? 2% move gain in a day, I'm like, big boy, big boy. But hey, man, yeah, I'll definitely be on tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's stream's a little bit more hype. It just depends on who comes in, you know, all that kind of stuff. But I'll be here chilling regardless of if there's one person in here, 30 people in here, 0 people in here. I'll just be chilling. You already know that. So hopefully, good luck with your trading tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? Keep a clear head. I'm gonna try to do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully you can get another like 4 or 5% tomorrow. But if you don't, you know what I'm saying? I hope you at the least like break even. And I hope I do too. You know what I'm saying? So it's gonna be really interesting to see too, like if this consolidation actually gets broken, because this is thick consolidation. This is a relatively thick booty support. You know what I'm saying? But all right, man, you have a blessed day, bro. Thanks for tuning into the stream, bro. It was just me and you really chilling in here for the most part, except for at the beginning. So thanks for tuning in, bro. You already know you my guy. Be blessed and use a stop loss.